Hello, my name is Gospel. My name is Gospel. I'm your CAB demystifier. Your CAB demystifier. That's a mouthful, isn't it? Anyway, I'm so happy to welcome you to this tutorial training. It's so thrilling to be your guide in this tutorial training on Microsoft Word Session 1. And today we'll be looking into what Microsoft Word is as a program, as a computer program. We know the features of as a computer program. We know the features of Microsoft Word as a computer program. We know what it entails. We know what the tools, the features, the elements of the program are. We are going to know the type of tasks you can use Microsoft Word to accomplish. So let's get started. You ready? Okay, take your mouse. Alright, then you go to that program. As you can see here, look at Microsoft Word here. Look at it. My mouse is scrolling over it. Look at it here. So when you get there, you just simply right click on it. I have right clicked. Okay. Now when you right click on it, it will bring out a context menu. What you can see on your screen is called context menu. Okay. Now when it's brought out, you click on the context menu. Now when the context menu comes out, as you can see there, you see some options. Amongst them, in fact, the first one there is open. So when you see open, you just simply go there and click on it. So when you click on it, it will still open the program. Okay, the program will be loaded, the program will be started. As I believe you can see on your screen. So those are the steps you can use to load or start or launch Microsoft Word program window. Okay, in a Microsoft Word program window, the first bar, the first feature you will always see there is called the title bar. Okay, so the title bar is the first feature you see in Microsoft Office Word. Okay, now what does it do? How can you identify it? Now, having known it is the first horizontal bar you see in a Microsoft Word program window, the other thing you should know is this: it always displays two informations at its extreme left side. Two informations are displayed at the program name, which is Microsoft Word, as well as the default file name. Okay, we'll know what the default file name is, don't worry. But if you are using Windows 8, just like we are in this tutorial, these two informations will be displayed towards the middle part of the window. Okay, as I believe you can see on your screen, my mouse is hovering over these two informations. Okay, so the first information is document 1, which, like I told you earlier, is the default file name, or as I promised to tell you, is the default file name. So when you open Microsoft Word, in the title bar, when you're using Windows 8 as your operating system of your computer, the two informations that to be seen towards the middle part of the title bar is or are Microsoft Word, which is the program name. As you can see, my mouse is hovering over it. The program name. The second one is the default file name. So there are 3 buttons if you go towards the right part of the same title bar. It doesn't matter the Windows, whether the older versions or the newer version. As you can see on your screen, I'm using Windows 8, and those 3 buttons are still displayed towards the right part of it. Now, those 3 buttons are called the minimize button. Okay, if I point at it, you see that it will appear, the name will appear. Okay, as you can see on your screen, let me just point at this again. Look at it, it has appeared. Okay, now it has appeared. The minimize button. That's the first one. Now the second one is called the maximize. Where my mouse is pointing, is called the maximize or restore that button. Okay, it's a button used for 2 purposes. Okay, that is why it has what I would call a hyphenated name or a compound name. Okay, maximize restore down button. Okay, as the second button there is just at the middle. Now the last one, the last button is the close button. Now let's go to the second feature of the program. Now the second feature of the program is the menu bar. Okay, the menu bar. Now the menu bar is regarded as the most important part of the program. You should know that. Why? Because it has what are called menus. Now those menus in turn contain what are called commands. Now the commands are what we use to execute tasks. To execute task means to carry out various functions in the process of creating documents. Let me drag it out so that you can see it very well. I just go here and click. Good. So look at it. It has appeared. Okay. So as you can see there, it is written. Look about where my mouse is hovering. My mouse pointer. Look at what is where it is hovering. So as you can see there, you have menu bar there. Now the menu bar is called the menu bar because it contains what are called menus. So the first menu there is file, followed by edit, view, insert, format, tools, table, window, and help. So the first menu is file, the last menu is help. Okay, now these menus in turn contain what we call commands. Now the commands are what we use to execute tasks. That brings us to the next feature there, which is called the standard toolbar. Let me go and bring it out. You can see standard there, can't you? I believe you can. Okay, now the standard toolbar is the third bar of Microsoft Word program window. It is usually seen below the menu bar. It is referred as the shortcut bar. Okay, now why is it called a shortcut bar? It's simply because it contains some tools which serve as shortcuts. Okay, now get this clear. It contains tools which serve as shortcuts to some of the commands in some menus in the menu bar. Now the next feature we'll be looking into, is called the formatting toolbar. The formatting toolbar. Now when we talk about the formatting toolbar is either seen below the title bar. Okay, sorry, below the standard toolbar. Oops, I made a very big mistake. So the formatting toolbar is usually seen either below the standard toolbar or at the right side of the standard toolbar. Okay, so we don't see the formatting toolbar below the standard toolbar. You can see it at the right side of the standard toolbar. Now, what is the formatting toolbar all about? It is a bar which contains the tools that enable us to beautify our document. It is the bar which contains the tools that enable us to enhance the outlook of our document. The next thing there is the work area. Okay, the work area. Now, when we talk about the work area is actually the biggest part of any Microsoft Word program window. Any open Microsoft Word program window always has the work area as its biggest part, occupying the biggest space of an open Microsoft Word program window. Okay, it is usually white in color. Okay, and it is divided into pages. All right, now the number of pages you have increases as the volume of documents you are typing in, as the number of characters, as the text you are typing into the work area increases. Okay, so this place that you can see the right top we have here is the work area. All right, so if I have a more voluminous document, okay, if I have a more voluminous document, okay, it will not be only one page. In fact, I have, how many pages do I have? I have only one page here. How do I know? I just simply go to this place. Look at where my mouse pointer is hovering. I just simply go to this place. I can see page 1 there. Okay, so I have only one document and one page in this document. Why? Because the volume of the text I have typed into the work area is small. Okay, so the work area is the largest part of the Microsoft Word program window, which is where documents are created in, or where typesetting task is done. The next thing there is the drawing toolbar. Alright, let me drag it out. The drawing toolbar. Now, the drawing toolbar is usually just below, let me just say just below the horizontal bar. Although there are still some tools there anyway. There are still some tools there. Okay, but let's just say below the horizontal scroll bar. Now, what is this used to do? It contains some tools. What is it all about? It contains some tools which can be used to draw various kinds of objects or shapes. Okay, as well as lines. Okay, not only that, it also contains some tools which can use to format them. Remember, to format means to beautify. The drawing toolbar contains the tools which you can use to draw some shapes as well as format them. Okay, like if I want to enhance the outlook of this, I can go to this formatting toolbar, then do was give it a fill color. Fill color means inside color. So the yellow color has been given because I selected yellow color. If I want to change it, I can just simply go to the same fill color there. Drawing toolbar. If I go to the same color, the drawing toolbar. So I just simply click on the downward button beside the fill color on the drawing toolbar. Then I now do what? Select another color, let's say red. Okay, you now see red color being given. Okay, now if I want to give it line color, okay, I can just simply go to the line color. The next color beside the fill color is line color. I click on it. You can see that the color has been given. It may not be too visible. Okay, let's go. You can even increase the width of the line. Okay, the size of the line. Just simply go to line style, then click on 6 points. P means point. What will happen? It will increase. Look at it. I have two colors in this shape. Fill color, which is red, line color, which is blue. So let's go to the next thing there, the next thing there, the next thing there, the next thing there. The next thing there is we need to look into is what is called the status bar. Now, when you talk about the status bar is the last bar you see within any Microsoft Word program window. In fact, not only Microsoft Word program windows, as well as other program windows, computer program windows. So, yeah, other programs in the windows usually see the status bar as the last bar.
For inquiries or more information about our products and services, please contact us via the phone numbers on your screen at elvpage@gmail.com, lvpage@gmail.com, or elvpage@hotmail.com, elvpage@hotmail.com. You can also have comprehensive information about us as well as our products and services by visiting our website at www.elearnerslodge.tk. You can as well join the trend on our social media web pages at www.facebook.com/elearnerslodge.tk or www.youtube.com/elfpage or www.skype.com/elfpage. Thanks for watching this session of the tutorial. Keep it with us again in the next tutorial.